This is 7250. This is an ocean suite. A little bit like the Grand Suite, just different configuration, a little bit smaller. You don't have the full dressing room, but you do have that walk-in closet with closets on this side as well as this side. Nice little reception area here with some power. Here is your TV. I believe that it's going to be a mini fridge under there, Lisa, if you don't mind checking that for me. Yes. Sofa, which converts to be a bed if you want it. This one today comes with a 8-pack of Corona. You also have a chair, and let's not forget the coffee table that's under the Corona. Over here, you have your safe right there, little desk area, some writing stuff. There's a little stool and your hairdryer. From a power standpoint, you have 2 US, 2 European, 2 USB, 2 US, 1 European, and as you can see, it lights up. The bed is either in the king configuration that you've seen it, or it can be separated into 2 twins. I think we've seen that in some of the other cabins already. So here is the balcony. It's not nearly as big as the Grand Suite, but it's still a decent size. It's a little bit bigger than the normal ones. You see we're up here towards the front of the ship. There's the bridge, but you do have some good views. Let's go check out the bathroom. His and her sinks. This has the toilet, which is in a great place for my height at 6'4". Definitely good width too, so good for the fluffy as well. Ding, ding. Got a shub tower combo, and it's a whirlpool tub. It's just a little bit challenging to stand in there at my height of 6'4". Outside of that, love the layout. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.